Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Young Family in our YouTube channel. Today is July 11th, 2025. Early this morning, when I just walked around in my backyard to check out my plants, I unexpectedly found the cover. Did you see a small cover? Just ended. This security camera is open. So I realized probably somebody tried to steal the micro SD memory card from this security camera. Okay, so let's just step on this concrete block to take a close look at this is security camera. You see? So actually I put alarm on because I have bigger concern about the neighborhood, security. So you can see this is small cover is supposed to cover this area. There's a slot for micro SD card. So my security camera just put on this, the wood on the top. So very close to the backyard wall and the fence, my neighborhood. So basically just recently, I increased the height of this backyard wall and still cannot prevent and stop any crime because we have a bigger concern in the United States, not only in our neighborhood, everywhere in the whole country. So even though I put a lot of warning sign on the wall, on the gate, and I have some other security cameras just in my backyard, it's over there. So anyway, so if you guys try to install any security camera, you'd better install on the very high place. So actually my label is very nice. It once suggests whether I can put this security camera on the wall of my neighborhood garage wall. So basically it's pretty good position, to be honest, very high, more safe. But anyway, I said sometimes I have to check my security camera, reconnect or just, reset. So it's not very convenient. But anyway, just let you know, when you install any security camera, just put any high place to make sure nobody can reach it. So this is pretty actually high, but still close to the, the fence and wall. Actually, good news is I got this security camera a long time ago. So it's for free. So, and fortunately, this security camera, if you want to review all the records, so you have to subscribe. So I didn't subscribe this, pay the subscription fee. So that's why I didn't put any micro SD memory card in this security camera. So kind of, I didn't lose anything. But for some other security camera, I already subscribed. I just don't have to subscribe. I put a lot of high capacity micro SD memory card in the security camera because anytime I can check, replay any, the footages caught from the security camera. So guys, just want to remind you, just be careful when you install your security camera. Try to find a good spot, not let any other people to easy to reach it, access your security camera. Maybe they can destroy it or just maybe disabled or just, remove the micro SD memory card, which is very expensive. So guys, if you like today's video, please give us some up, like, share, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.